Welcome to the channel, everybody. We're going to be checking out Slayer, Rain in Blood. Now, that sounds crazy. Just think about Rain in Blood. That's a different type of song title, I can say. But this is my first time in hearing Slayer. I don't know. What we going to be, Slayer and Demons? I don't know what the song about, but this is my first time. Hit the like button, subscribe, bro. Let's listen to it. Let's go. Let's vibe out. Man. Gotta have rain in it, okay. Alright. Okay. Take us up. Whoa. This look, bro. This is so rocking cool. It took my headphones out my ear. I can't even talk, bro. This music is good. Wow. And I'm not editing it. I'm not doing no edit. This is a raw, real reaction. What? I'm out of breath. That's some good music right there, bro. Yeah, this is workout music right here. I gotta work out to this. This is crazy. I gotta go back. I'm impressed right now. I'm gonna be honest, y'all.
Fall to me in the sky, script and tears. I'm balls to rules made of stone. Here from below, souls to my treacherous past. Between my perfect. Not born to be stripping above.
I just love how the beat just mixed and the instrument mixed so well together, bro. Just their voices. Like, this is something that sounds like I be hearing, like, walking in a bar. I don't drink or nothing. I don't really go to bars, but when I went to a bar, I heard something similar to this. It maybe was Slayer. This is fire.
Time slips away.
Ooh, how it comes home. Oh yeah, you better finish up with the thunderstorm. That was lighting. That was smoke. Wow. How did a song come so calm with thunderstorm into a masterpiece like this? That was amazing. That was wonderful, y'all. I'm mind blown. That was some good freaking music right there. Wow, I'm mind blown, bro. From Slayer. Dang, I gotta check out more Slayer though, cause that right there. Wow. I gotta hear the whole thing through. We have to. It'll make sense. I can't skip through the goodness of this. That was greatness. Overall, that music right there literally had me up jumping like a rock. I felt like a rock star. I thought this was gonna be on some Rain's type of stuff I go to sleep, because this is stuff I play when I go to sleep, like the Rain stuff. But I didn't even know it was gonna transition to some I call that what, heavy rock or whatever, what kind of genre we can call this, because that was fire, bro. I'm just lost for words, man. That was a 10 out of 10 song. I'm gonna put this in my playlist, honestly. Please tell me some more music I can check about Slayer. Is this a band? I'm quite sure it's a band, but tell me what the person named the lead singer of this song, because he got a good voice. But I love you guys, everybody. Let's do a huge favor. Let's at least aim for 5,000 likes on this video. I love you guys, and put what I should react to next, y'all. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, y'all. Stay blessed, y'all.